So today I'm making viral baked cabbage. And yes, I'm Polish, so cabbage is our national pride. And I'm super excited to prepare this for my family. I've done this before, so I'll be doing this my way, and I hope you like it. So we're gonna start with the whole cabbage. I already removed the leaves on the outside and I cut the center. The next step is we have to actually poach this cabbage inside, outside, just like this. Next, olive oil, and we're gonna cover our cabbage nicely on every side. As you can tell, my cabbage is already placed on 3 sheets of aluminum foil. This is what we need after we season our cabbage. We're gonna wrap it together, seal it really well, and shove it in the oven. But before that, let's start with salt. Pepper, some paprika, oregano leaves, basil leaves, garlic powder, some onion powder. All right, so this is seasoned, but not done yet. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put garlic like this in the middle, right here. Some shallots around it. And you can do regular onion, whatever you have in your disposal. Last step for my recipe, whole peeled tomatoes. I actually love my cabbage in tomato juices, so this is what I'm adding. And I'm telling you, this will make this cabbage unbelievable. And then I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. This is nicely done. I'm gonna rub this tightly, and this is gonna sit in the oven at 425 for about 2 hours. And then I'm gonna show you how my cabbage looks like. See ya! 2 hours later, cabbage is out of the oven, and it smells unbelievable. Like, seriously, the entire house smells so good. It's a reveal time, and it's really hot. Our cabbage is all done. Look how juicy and soft, and pieces are falling apart. I love it. And look, this is our garlic that is at this point roasted. We're just gonna squeeze it. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to taste it. This is part of the shallot, some tomatoes. All the flavors, and it's soft, melts in your mouth. This is gonna be a great addition to our dinner, and we have actually beef goulash and barley, so this will go perfect with it. I'm gonna take another bite. So to me, this is definitely dish. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone!